Think being a bank teller is just an entry-level job? What if I told you that many branch managers, district leaders, and banking executives started behind the teller line? In banking, your first position doesn't define your future, it builds it. Today, I'm breaking down the full banking career ladder from teller to branch manager so you can understand how to grow, get promoted, and build a serious banking career. A lot of people enter banking without understanding the roadmap. They get hired as tellers, do transactions every day, and never realize they're sitting in the launchpad for bigger opportunities. Without knowing the next move, many employees stay stuck. But when you understand the ladder, you can intentionally build the skills that move you up faster. Banking promotions usually follow a progression of trust, performance, customer relationship skills, compliance knowledge, and leadership ability. Each role adds more responsibility, more income potential, and more influence. Most people begin as a bank teller. This role teaches you how to handle deposits, withdrawals, payments, balancing cash, and customer service. It builds operational discipline, accuracy, and trust. At this level, your goal is to master cash handling, customer interaction, and compliance because this foundation matters. The next step is often lead teller or head teller. Now you're doing more than transactions. You may help lead the teller line, support daily operations, assist with balancing, solve teller issues, and help train newer employees. This is where leadership starts showing. From there, many move into personal banker. This is where banking shifts from transactions to relationships. Personal bankers open accounts, recommend financial products, solve customer needs, and help drive branch growth. At this stage, sales confidence, product knowledge, and relationship building become critical. Then comes relationship banker or universal banker in many institutions. This role blends service, sales, transactions, and advisory responsibilities. You become more flexible, more skilled, and more valuable because you can support customers in multiple ways. After proving consistency, performance, and leadership, the next move is often assistant branch manager. Now you help oversee branch operations, coach employees, support sales goals, handle escalations, and strengthen compliance. This role is where management skills truly begin developing. Then comes branch manager. This is full leadership. You lead the team, manage branch performance, grow customer relationships, drive sales, protect compliance, oversee operations, and represent the branch in the community. At this level, you are responsible not just for tasks, but for people, growth, and results. Imagine two tellers start on the same day. One only focuses on daily transactions. The other learns products, studies leadership, asks questions, and volunteers for more responsibility. A few years later, one may still be in the same role while the other has moved into banker or management positions. The difference is strategy. One of the biggest mistakes in banking is assuming promotions come from time alone. Time matters, but visibility, performance, initiative, sales ability, and leadership matter more. Don't just work the job you have, prepare for the job you want. If you want to move up faster, master your current role, learn products, strengthen customer trust, improve sales skills, understand compliance, ask for mentorship, track your achievements, and consistently look for leadership opportunities. The banking career ladder often looks like this: teller, lead teller, personal banker, relationship banker, assistant branch manager, then branch manager. Every level builds more responsibility, more income potential, and more career power. So if you're starting as a teller, don't underestimate where you are. Your teller window could be the first step to leadership. Start where you are, master the fundamentals, and learn the next role before you get there. That's how careers in banking are built.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.